That's nice.
It was my first job, November 1st.
Wait, whoa, but it's October.
Yeah.
October 1st, you mean?
I'm just pretending.
Oh, you just pretend. Okay. So you've been doing this for years, then?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So my job was, usually Mrs. Toddlers do it, but she's letting me up for her because she's out of her job forever now.
Forever? What happened to her?
I don't know. She got a different job.
Oh, makes sense.
And now she needs someone to cut her hair, and now she picked me.
Oh, I bet, because you're awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're really good. How about the back of my hair? Does it need to be combed?
Yep.
Okay.
It might hit your skin.
Oh, yeah, I feel that. Touching my skin. Oh, bastard.
I need the sides.
Oh, yeah, the sides. Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to get it to slow down.
Takes a lot, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It takes a long time.
Grandpa, what's going on over there? Got an upset baby.
Medicine time.
Medicine time.
Is he your grandpa?
No, but he's Riley's grandpa. He's my dad. All right.